Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sumaya Ahmed Jinia, student of Abdul Malik Ukul Medical College. Today's topic is about muscles of the front of the thigh. The muscles of the anterior compartment of the thigh are the sartorius, the quadriceps femoris, and the articularis genu. The sartorius is long, narrow, and ribbon-like. The quadriceps femoris consists of 4 parts. These are the rectus femoris, the vastus lateralis, the vastus medialis, and the vastus intermedius. The articularis genu consists of a few muscular slips. Now origin and insertion. Sartorius. Origin: anterior superior iliac spine and upper half of the notch below the spine. Insertion: upper part of the medial surface of the shaft of the tibia in front of the insertions of the gracilis and the semitendinosus. Rectus femoris. Origin: straight head from the upper half of the anterior inferior iliac spine and reflected head from the group above the margin of the acetabulum and the capsule of the hip joint. Insertion: base of the patella anterior to vastus intermedius. Vastus lateralis. Origin: upper part of intertrochanteric line, anterior and inferior borders of greater trochanter, lateral lip of gluteal tuberosity, upper half of lateral lip of linea aspera. Insertion: lateral part of the base of patella, upper 1/3 of the lateral border of patella, expansion to the capsule of knee joint, tibia and iliotibial tract. Vastus medialis. Origin: lower part of intertrochanteric line, spiral line, medial lip of linea aspera, upper 1/4 of medial supracondylar line. Insertion: medial 1/3 of the base and upper 2/3 of the medial border of the patella, expansion to the capsule of knee joint. Vastus intermedius. Origin: upper 3/4 of the anterior and lateral surfaces of the shaft of femur. Or insertion: base of patella. Last one is articularis genu. Origin: anterior surface of femur. Insertion: suprapatellar bursa. Arterial supply: femoral artery, venous drainage, femoral vein, nerve supply, femoral nerve. Here is the end of today's topic. Thanks everyone.